Hi, this is Litre from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2009 Jeep Wrangler stock number 5973. This ran from 03-2007 to the 12-2011. Has a JK 3.8 litre V6 petrol engine backed by a 4-speed automatic transmission. This is a JK 3.8 litre V6 petrol engine. Left front headlight needs polish. Front bonnet, no dents. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 17-inch factory Automac tyre. Left front mirror. Left front door, no dents. Left rear door, no dents. Left rear 17-inch factory Automac tyre. Left rear tail light. Right rear tail light. Rear tailgate, no dents. Right rear 17-inch factory Automac tyre. Right front mirror. Right front headlight needs polish. Right front guard, one dent. Right front 17-inch factory Automac tyre. Right front door card. Right front window switch. Centre console lid. Automatic gear shifter. AC controls. Factory 6-stack CD player. Interior mirror. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 4-spoke leather steering wheel. Instrument cluster.